Right, so I'm thinking to open the exhibition now so people can see now. Someone, Sarah. Oh my god, I don't know how to do this. Okay, wait. Password protect, but it's not supposed to be password protected now. So let's see. Okay.
I was muted, sorry.
No problem. Let me see. Wait. Let me see.
When I came in, I didn't have to use a password, so maybe you did it?
Oh yeah, I think I did it now then. Maybe my computer is not registering. Sound vision, memories.tumblr.com. When did you try, like right now?
Yeah, when I tried to join, it didn't ask for a password, so...
Does it say like a privacy error for you?
Where?
On the website, or it's maybe just... I think it's okay. I think your sister just entered the chat.
Yeah.
Hey. Filming all of this with a camera like that?
Wow.
Yeah, so we have little memories. L'exposition est en ligne. 3 points d'exclamation. Ok, c'est bon. Yay. Hey Catalina. She's still connecting her audio. Let me just see like if I can go on the website.
Oh, the Tumblr one.
Yeah. Is it for you? Can you check?
Yeah.
Art is that. If not, I can just post the password. That's another way.
Yeah, it still needs a password.
Okay, I'll just post the password then. Modifier la password. Art is life is the password. Do you like the password?
Yeah.
I had so much fun finding it. I was like, art is life, you know. Wait, let me see. And I'll also put it in the description so people can have it there. I'm so hyper. Okay, let's see. Modifier.
Yeah, I think I'm on the site.
Yeah, and it needs a password or no?
With a password, yeah.
With a password, okay. So I'll just write the password on it because I don't know how to figure the rest out. So I'll put it right over everything like this. I think it's pretty clear like that. Mot de passe, yeah, it's like right there. People can see it and be like, oh, here's the password. There's a lot of people in the... Okay, so I guess I'll share my screen and see how that works. So then people can see the exhibition even if they come in the... Yeah. Oh, you can see the exhibition now, no?
Yeah?
Okay, I see how this works. I'm figuring it out like by the second. It's crazy.
Going on at the same time. Am I correct, or how do you feel about the painting?
Yeah, I felt a lot of different emotions when I was painting this, and usually with my paintings, I need red in it. I always have to have red in it, and when I was painting this, I was like, I'm not putting red in it. It was just something in me that I was like, I just don't feel like it's right, and it's changed.
Right. J'ouvre ça comme avant parce que je veux pas être comme... Because that's how we do in exhibitions. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, okay. Wow! Oh my god! That scared the shit out of me. I think I've never done that. My heart. I was thinking it was gonna pop so far away. Okay, let's get a little glass. Like something just opened now. Right. Cheers! Okay. Hey, hey, hey. It's been a while since I saw the sunset. Is it on my back now? You gotta put it on my shoulders. It's been a while since I saw the sunset.